Hey ladies, guys, if you're watching this, we are finally back. It's been a long month, but we are here. Now let's get into it. So I'm installing one of my custom made units I made for her already, and colored it, and so that's why the lace is already kind of cut. She had this wig for a while. I think we installed it like twice. I think we installed it twice. So now I think this is her third install, and I colored it for her. So now I'm just gonna go in and cut off some of the lace, the extra lace there, because you don't want that lace just sitting there. And this is also a glueless wig install. Now I know y'all wondering why I've been away for a whole month, and when I said I was gonna be back on my grind on YouTube, I know, don't be mad at me, but listen, I got something for y'all. I have my products coming out. I have a foam, a mousse, well, the foam is the mousse, a wax stick, a edge control that is crazy, y'all. This is why I needed a whole month and then some to really get this together, because I just didn't want to come out with anything. And I'm going to use a few of the products here in this video. And I'm coming out with a gel. So I'm coming out with 4 products: mousse, edge control, a wax stick, and gel. So now, as you see, I'm just cutting off some more of the lace, and I'm hot combing her hair back so it doesn't get in the way when it's time for me to do her baby hair. So I'm showing y'all the glueless wig. I will have classes available September 1st. One-on-one classes, y'all. Get into it. Let's get into it. If y'all don't know, I changed my Instagram name, by the way. I know a lot of you are commenting asking what's my new Instagram name. It is I am Ashleigh Nicole. I will put that in the description. Please be sure to check the description, y'all, because it be having a lot of info in there. So now, look at that wax stick, y'all. So now I'm just using my wax stick. This is the Fly Girl wax stick, coming out soon. And it really, when I tell you, it really lays the hairs down. Like, there isn't a hair that's gonna stick. And then I'm just gonna use the hot comb and just press it over just to get it to lay real flat. There's no mousse being used on top of her head, just a simple old wax stick and a hot comb. Literally, like, even if you didn't have a hot comb, you could use a wax stick and your flat iron and get the flattest results ever. Baby, look at that scalp. Look at the scalp. And baby, this is glueless, okay? That's why I am holding the lace. But the wig is already made glueless, so it's not much for me to do here, but it is a reinstall. So let's get into the lace. Let's get into the wig. Alright, I'm hyped, y'all, to be recording again. I'm so hyped. So now I'm just going to take out the baby hairs. I've made plenty of videos of me doing baby hairs. If you don't know, well, go check those videos out, because I have so many videos. I'm just doing something real quick, just testing it out, showing you guys a little method here for y'all to see how I decide where I'm putting my baby hairs. It really takes time for you to learn each person's head and how and what the baby hair should look like on them. Now I'm going in and I'm adding my fancy foam. Now this foam gets busy. Y'all gonna see how easy this foam is. It's natural ingredients, no alcohol. So even if you did glue your wig, you can put this and it'll still not lift up your wig. Like, it's amazing. And I'm just adding the fancy foam on it, and then I'm just gonna swoop the baby hairs. Y'all already know how to do baby hairs. Like, I really don't play. Look how easy it is. Just swoop. Swoop. Wow. Just swoop the baby hairs back into a place. And yeah. So now I want the edges to be a little bit more firm, so I'm gonna go in with my Yummy Edge Control. Now my Yummy Edge Control has extreme hold, y'all. Like, hold, baby. Days will go and my baby girl edges right here will stay laid. So make sure to be on the lookout and purchase that. I will give y'all both of the Instagrams that you could purchase it on when it drops. It's not out yet, but soon. But just, ooh, that edge control, y'all. Y'all see the slickness, y'all, for real? For real, you don't see that? I dare you. You don't see that? So now I'm just going to blow dry her edges a little bit, only because I don't want the wrap strip that I'm going to put on it to mess up her edges or lift them up. So I'm just going to blow dry them just so they stay in place, kind of like I told you before. The Yummy Edge Control does not play. So especially if you're like pressing it into place or if you're blow drying it into place, it literally will not move, girl. This is the final look. Ooh, she looks so good. She looks so good. She looks so good. So subtle, but yet she's standing out. Wherever she walks, they're gonna look, baby. This is giving me bad bitch. This is giving me America's Next Top Model. This is giving me scalp. This is giving me real edges. Wow. And this is glueless, y'all. Glueless, okay? So just get into it. The glueless classes are coming. I know y'all been asking. I'm coming. I'm sorry. Wow, she looks amazing. She's in her bag. Just go to my Instagram to really peep how she looking. Thank y'all for always supporting me, like for real, even when I go on my little hiatus. But this one was a good one because now I got my products coming out. I'm ready. Oh, trust, I'm ready. I'm coming for you. Kylie Jenner, I'm coming for you, bitch.